Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on how to properly crop and resize your images to display properly on your website. To ensure that your images will show uniformly on your website, it's important to make sure that you're uploading them at consistent dimensions. There are a few simple, easy, and free ways to accomplish this when you're using either a Mac or a PC. First, we're going to go over how to crop and resize images on your Mac. All computers using the Mac operating system come preloaded with a program called Preview. Preview is the default image editor and viewer on Mac OSX. First, we're going to resize the image. Open the image in Preview and then click on the toolbox icon. This will reveal the markup toolbar. From the markup toolbar, you're going to want to click on the small box with the drop-down arrow next to it. From here, you're going to want to select Rectangular Selection if it isn't already selected. Then, on your image, you would click and drag to create a selection box. After the box has been drawn, you can make it larger or smaller depending on how far you want to crop it. Once you're done selecting the area of the image that you would like to retain, simply press the Crop button. From here, you're going to want to click on the box with the two arrows pointing to the corners. This will reveal the image resizing pop-up box. Here, you can change the dimensions of the image by just changing a few values. Make sure you have pixels selected as the unit of measurement. Also, make sure that the lock icon is showing locked and not open. This will ensure that when you change the width or height of the image itself will scale linearly. This means that the image will not be distorted when it changes size, and will instead retain the same overall proportions. To start, we're going to change the dimensions of our image to suit our needs on the website. Then click OK. On Windows, we're going to use a program called IrfranView to do the same things that we did in Preview on the Mac. IrfranView is a very lightweight but useful image editor that can be downloaded freely using the link provided below. Open the image in IrfranView by right-clicking on the image, hovering over Open With, and then selecting IrfranView. The first thing we're going to do is resize the image. To do this, we're going to click on Image, and then Resize/Resample. From this dialog box, we can set a new size for the image. Make sure that when you make these changes, you click on the box that says Preserve Aspect Ratio, in parentheses, proportional. This way, when you change the value of either the width or the height, the size will scale linearly so you don't get distortion in your image. Click on OK. To crop your image using IrfranView, you would select Image and then change canvas size. Select Method 2 or Set Total Canvas Dimensions in pixels. Make sure that you have Center selected as the anchor. This will ensure that when you lower the height of the image, it will lower the height equally from the top and the bottom. Similarly, if you lower the width of the image, it will take the width away from both sides equally. Once you have the dimensions you want to use, select Apply to Original Image and then OK. As always, if you're having any trouble with the steps outlined in this video, please feel free to contact our technical support experts at webhelp@heroweb.com.